Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and this is an overview of a camping blanket by this company right here. So first off, this is how it comes. This is a sort of the travel sack that it comes in. It has this elastic section right here for kind of like, tying down things. Does have a way to tighten that up. Does have a handle to hold it right here. This is sort of a water resistant pouch that it comes in. I wouldn't say it's probably waterproof, but definitely water resistant. And clip here opens up. Once opened, this is what it looks like. The inside is very, very soft. Almost looks like sheepskin. The outside has a sort of a faded design, so sort of a darker blue all the way down to sort of a lighter blue. And in the actual design, it's sort of a mountain graphic, sort of a subtle mountain graphic with kind of shadowed in a tree line. The outside is made of polyester. The inside is a hollow fiber, and then the softness here is an actual fleece material. Actually really warm. The dimensions are 78 by 56. So the cool part is that it doesn't just serve as a blanket, it actually can double as a sleeping bag. Some sleeping bags have zippers that kind of go all the way around. This one has buttons, snap buttons that go all the way around the bottom where the feet would be, and then all along one side. Now the width, once it's buttoned up, is right at about 28 inches. One side's completely open, and you can either slide into it, and when it's in the sleeping bag position, this is what it looks like. Super, super soft, definitely cozy. Still have some space inside. This could be, I mean, literally pulled all the way up, and then it can be unbuttoned based on the user's preference. This is like really soft. A couple cool things about the material of this. It's washable, which is a benefit, especially if you're gonna use this and literally be on the dirt camping. Or it'd be great for pets because it can be adjusted as far as the size is concerned. And then after the pets use it, you can throw it in the wash. So if you're looking for a camping style blanket that serves also as a button-up sleeping bag that's extremely warm, has a polyester outside, and a cool little shadowed-in pattern, and extremely warm. I mean, like, surprisingly warm. Hopefully this answers any other questions you might have. Full disclosure, this company did send this to me. Said, Ryan, tell us what you think. Give an honest review. Is this thing warm? Is it easy to snap together? Does it fit the needs of somebody that might be looking for something like this for camping? Hopefully that came across, and we'll talk to you soon.